And here are the little legs. Sonny? Sonny? No, those is here. Let's just see if we can zoom in. That's Jessie. Jessie's a very slow eater. That's Tick Dick, or Zoe as everyone knows her. Yes, Sonny. And there's Olga. Tick Dick, what are you doing? As you can see, they don't eat as fast as the big dogs. I'm just happy Jessie's eating, man. I'm just happy Jessie's eating. Look, you see what Zoe's doing now? What she's doing is she's putting her bowl next to Sonny's and she's going to try and get Sonny's food. Here, over. Jessie the dainty little eater. Jessie the dainty little eater. What? That's Olga weeing on the floor, as she does. She's a bit incontinent, is Olga. So I'll have to go and clean up now. Tootsie-doo.